What's up, Pickle Pips? Welcome back to the 100K sprint. What day is it of the sprint? I don't know. Who does anyone know? Certainly not me. So we're just going to get right to it. I know it's been a little while since I've been on here, and I'll be honest, my phone was full and I was too distracted, busy and lazy at the same time to move all the stuff off my phone onto the computer, and so I just use that as an excuse to not record videos, which is pretty pathetic, but it's true. So there we go. Today is the 22nd of December. We are 3 days from Christmas and I'm still getting orders. I don't know about you guys. Like, I literally just walked in the studio after moving all the stuff off my computer because I got a big announcement today, and I saw that, lo and behold, there's an Etsy order. I'm like, what? That's 2 Etsy orders this week. Etsy has been really slow for me this year, but this week they're whatever. So emails today too. So, SMS 0. Again, I haven't really been pushing it. I'll go back to really pushing that in January. And sales, we've done $222 today. So not bad. But there is better and bigger and more awesome news, which is like, I have to come on and give you guys this update. And that is that Mifge is live! This has had so many delays, obstructions, tech difficulties, everything, and all the stuff that gets in your head in between about, like, I'm not good enough, no one's gonna want it, until, someone's like, when are you launching? Because I want to buy your thing. I have the money set aside to buy your thing. I want the year. And I'm like, what? Oh yeah, that's right. People love my stuff. My stuff is awesome. So I'm going to go ahead and launch. And it literally has been a tech nightmare from the beginning. Because I don't do anything by halves. I don't do anything small. I don't play small, period, when I'm building tech stuff. So let me know if you are the same and that you're like, go big or go home. And I'm like, I'm going to have 3 payment options for it. Okay, Mifge. I told you guys I would go through it. And I can't go in full on today because we're wrapping, but what it is, what I have been putting together is the most incredible free gift ever. Most incredible free gift ever. And what it is basically an ethical bribe. Sign up for my continuity. Give it a try. And you're going to get this thing for free or for really cheap. So what we came up with as an ethical bribe, or Perry Belcher would call it a premium, I am defining premiums as going to one-time purchases and Mifge's as going to continuity. In my head, that's how I differentiate it, Russell. Okay, so what we came up for as a bribe is my Wings of Fire necklace, which is pretty famous. It's a Beastie favorite. It's one of my best sellers. And it's got some cool clout behind it because it was worn by Marie Osmond in the Lifetime Christmas movie, The Road Home for Christmas. Yes, that one. And she sang Silent Night while wearing my necklace. Like, that's pretty damn awesome. It's pretty amazing. Yeah, so, and it's a bestseller and it does great. So we're giving it away for free. Now, not technically free. I am charging $9.99 shipping and handling. So I do recoup I recoup production costs or manufacturing costs in that. But the point is not about the upfront purchase. And I feel like so often we get stuck in that idea. It's like, oh, but what about the purchase now? The purchase now, the purchase now. You do a lot of shows or in-person events like the purchase now. But this is about the lifetime value of the customer. So it's getting them in on an ethical bribe. And I have more ways to make money through the funnel. And then, but they sign up for the continuity, which is the Earrings of the Month Club. And they have 3 options for that. This is my first membership that I'm doing. I am planning pretty much 4 levels in total. This is the first, this is the launch model. But I am going to eventually have 2 more levels above and 1 level below this one. So the Earrings of the Month Club, you can do it for $37 a month. You can get a 10% break if you do buy 3 months at a time, and it's $99 for the 3 months. And then if you want to go full year, you get 2 months for free, and it's $370 for the year for 12 months. And all of this will get billed in the next 30 days. So up front, all they have, like if they want to do it on the cheapest way possible, which hopefully not, but still, it would be just the $9.99 shipping and handling, and that gets them out there. And at least it covers my costs on this, so I'm not, like, out money. I'm not making money, but I'm not out money. So, there's that. they can do what's called an order bump, which is the one click, add this to my cart. If you're unfamiliar with funnels, I'll go through and do a screen share, maybe one tomorrow if I can. But yeah, so we have the necklace for $9.99 when you sign. And this is contingent on, like, it's straight up in there. It's basically a free trial with setup fees, kind of like how it's built into TechWise. But you get that for $9.99. And then you can add the earrings. I'm giving them at a discount. I usually retail these earrings at $20, and this time I'm doing them at $14. You get the matching earrings to the necklace. Great. Then you choose your plan, and it goes to the next page. And the next page has another best-selling set from me that goes with this whole thing. And we're going to be building up a lot. Now that it's launched, like, I can get that pressure off my shoulders. Now we can move forward and really, really market this thing. I got a lot of cool ideas that are starting to, like, really get driving in my head. Now that it's launched, like, that pressure is done, we can move into the next pressure. No, the next pressure is bootcamp. We'll talk to that in a minute. But on the next page, they can sign up to get my key set, so you can get the necklace, the earrings, or both together. And then it takes you to the thank you page. And here's where some extra magic happens. On the thank you page, there's two things. Number one, there is a link to a style guide where they can tell me their favorite colors. What colors do you like to wear? It's a Google form, so they're going to give me the colors, they're going to give me the length that they like. Do you like long earrings? Do you like medium length earrings? Do you like studs? What do you like? So as I am building out my stuff, I do my best to send things out in a color that they like. All right, so there's that stuff. That also has a birthday club thing on there, which I'll talk about more in January. That's part of the 23 World Domination, is the birthday club. This is like soft launch. This is soft launch of everything today. And then on the rest of the confirmation page, it has other items where they can go and shop my Shopify store with a coupon code, 30% off. And it says, add to my box, or my first box. And then they can order those, and I can add them straight on into my into the order that they'll be getting. So that is Mifge. And like I said, the idea is to get them in, the idea is to be neutral or to be making money on the getting them in process and getting them registered for continuity. Or as you guys would know, a subscription box. It's the Earrings of the Month Club. So that is Mifge. This is like, oh my God, it's done. Holy shit, it's done. Oh my God, it's done. Big goal. Like, do you guys know that? Like, I want to know, for you, what's one awesome goal that you've done this year? Like, what's something that you've done where it's like, oh my God, I could stand more, like the pressure's off my shoulders, and I can get excited about things. I'm out of the dread section of it. I'm just getting it out there. Like, I mean, I've had several things this year that were amazing that we did. But this one is like, because the recent is always the most powerful in your memory. So this is just like, wow, I've been working on this since October, and it's finally done. And yeah, so that's one awesome goal, but I'm looking forward to, you don't just want one awesome goal for the year, right? You want lots of awesome goals. You want lots of planning. You want, or I should say, lots of awesome goals that can be executed, and you get that through a plan. So here's my soft, quick invite to you guys to join us, because myself, along with Coach Andrew George and Ray Jane Roberts, have put together a really, really amazing boot camp to prep you out for January for Q1 success, to get your goals set for 23. Because if you don't have a plan, if you're just winging it, you've already failed. Like, I'm sorry, but it's true. If you're just winging it, you've already failed. And we don't want any of you to fail. Like, we got you guys to have an amazing 23. So I'll have that link below. It goes through all the cool stuff that we're doing in boot camp, as far as like really honing in on your numbers and what they mean, because numbers by themselves, just like everyone can know their numbers, but if you don't know what they mean, they're useless to you, or how to use them, they're useless to you. So we'll be going through numbers. We'll be going through setting smarter goals for 23 that are achievable, that push you, that excite you, where you can really envision that dream life and take that dream life out of dreams and make it a reality. Because we don't want any dream life. So like, no. We want those dreams to be real right now, or as close to right now as possible. So we'll be going that. We will be setting up your January World Domination Plan, like I've been executing through November. I did a better job in November than I did in December. I'll totally admit on that. But a World Domination Plan, which, you know what? It worked. Maybe at the levels I wanted it to, but it worked, having a World Domination Plan. And that's all I'm revealing for now. Like, we got so much amazing stuff jam-packed into 3 live days of workshop style action. It's not an event where you just sit and maybe you take notes and then you realize your butt hurts and then you go get hot chocolate or coffee or whatever it is you're drinking over the winter break. No, this is an action-packed, do the work now. We want you to exit boot camp and be inspired, to have action goals, and to have your work already done so you can start working on your next thing and not be worrying about starting to implement everything you just learned. No, you got all the work done. So I'll have that link below. Otherwise, it is bizfitformula.com/triumph. I'll also have the link for my Mifge below if you want to check out that to get the free necklace. There's no obligations. It's just if you want to see the funnel, see the page, what it looks like and all that. So that is about it. I will be back maybe tomorrow, maybe not. I don't know. Tomorrow is the eve of Christmas Eve and I'll have a little guy with me. So we'll see. But you guys take care, stay awesome, stay epic, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.